Good morning, everybody. It is Liz live here from my office, and I am here to showcase some brand new arrivals to Class Act this week. You'll have to bear with me. I am battling a cold that Conrad brought home to share with Mom, so my apologies if it sounds like I'm sick. I actually am, and you're just gonna have to struggle through with me if you want to see some new goodies. So, really excited. We have some awesome new arrivals this week and more things always coming in. I don't know if you guys are aware, but we had Gina K last week. We had some alt new and lots of other goodies that aren't even here to showcase. So if you see anything you like or you want to learn more about anything, go to www.classact.ca, click on shop new arrivals, and because it's pretty much the end of February, I created a category for March already, so you can shop February and March. Excuse me, and you'll find most of these items in those categories. We have a returning champion today, starting off strong with this cute little die set from Hero Arts. This is a cute little honey jar. It actually says the word honey on it. I believe it's called Honey Pot. So yeah, really cute little jar. It's got that like spoon that you see in all the fancy cereal commercials. So yeah, really cute. I assume this says honey. I'm pretty sure it does. So very, very awesome little die there. Then from Spellbinders, we have this one, which is really, really fun. So they have started creating dies in all kinds of languages now. Since we're Canadian, we have this one. This is French Everyday Sentiments. This one says things like je t'aime, bonjour, merci, joyeux, and anniversaire. And then the other one that I'm not even going to botch. But they also have dies in German, they have them in Spanish, they have them in French. So if you're looking for anything, we are happy to custom order them, but we felt like this would be a good fit for the store. If you want to make your friends some awesome cards. Then there's this cute little alphabet die from the Classic Pooh Spellbinders Simple Stories crossover. This is the delightful little alphabet numbers. And these are always fun to have on hand. They're an excellent size, and you can write anything you want with them. Some amazing things. You could write like a whole sort of title for your pages. You can do all kinds of things. So, ta-da, here's what they look like a very decent size. Then we also have some alphabet dies. This one is from Echo Park. So this is the Leo alphabet die set. Really, really cute. Excuse me. Really, really cute font. Here's what it looks like in the package. And then there's also this one. This is the Callum alphabet die set. I'm so sorry. So yeah, this one's really, really awesome as well. Then we have some die cuts from Prima Marketing. This is the Return to Wonderland collection. If you haven't seen it before, it is gorgeous, and we have more pieces slowly filtering in. But this one is like all about mushrooms and flowers. You get 2 of each in this pack. Really awesome. And then speaking of Prima Marketing, we also have the Serene Petals collection. So we have these amazing little journal note cards, which also make wonderful card fronts. I wish I could like flip through and show them all to you, but they're so cute. They're really cute to even tuck inside of a card, inside of a pocket. Awesome collection. Then they have some coordinating bling for this collection, which like I'm just oohing and awing. It looks amazing in person. Hi Sharon, thanks for joining. Sandra says, hi, I caught you. Yay for no meetings. Thank you for joining. Then we have the Serene Petals 6x6 paper. So this kind of gives you a snippet of what to expect. Gorgeous pastels, nice spring colors, very fresh and crisp. Lovely collection. And then they have a 12 by 12 paper set as well. So you get 14 sheets, 6 double-sided designs, 2 sheets of each, 1 fussy cut sheet, 1 cutout element sheet as well. Oh, and I can't show you anything cool on the back because it's just white. There is the Stamperia Cosmos Infinity Collection back in stock. I know this one was a big hit when they first released it, but we decided to bring in a few more because it is absolutely beautiful. We are made of stardust. You have all kinds of like galaxies and moons and creatures. There's wolves and it's just really, really nice. Like really, really nice. So this is one of my all-time favorites. If you didn't get it the first time we had it in, now's your opportunity. Makes gorgeous albums, and you never know when you need that one. I pull out my reserve of it constantly. Then we have Spellbinders Color Wheel cardstocks. So these are different sets of the Spellbinders cardstocks, which if you have not tried, they cut like butter, they emboss really beautifully, and we are big, big fans. So we have 3 different ones. They look like a rainbow when I hold them up like this. So this one is the Cool Assortment. It has things like greens and blues. Then we have the Rainbow Hues Assortment. This one has all of your bright, cheery, beautiful colors. Yellows, pinks, greens, blues, purples. And then they have the Warm Assortment, which is a lot of reds, oranges, yellows. Absolutely wonderful. Excuse me. And you get a little bit of everything, which is great. You get 20 sheets in each pack. And of course, I did not price those. They're priced online. Check them out. I think, like I said earlier, and I might not have shown it last week because it did come in late, but we have some restocks and new arrivals from Alt New. I grabbed the mini blending brush set to share with you guys. It's one of my favorites to work with. I know it's Carol's favorite for blending as well. With the short little bristles at the top, I feel like you get more control. It's nice and round and a good size, so you get some really great coverage when you're blending. If you're new to blending, this would be the set that I recommend. We also have, just wanted to share with you guys these. We have a couple of these. These are project kits from Alt New, so they include stamps, dies, embossing folders, stencils, pretty much everything you need to create some really beautiful works of art, or works of heart, if you will. They have new Hardy Crafts Easy Toppers. These are flowers in watering can for spring. So pretty. And then, if you guys missed Katie from 49 and Market, she actually has created her own brand new line of things. So, of course, we had to bring all of this in because we are obsessed. So her new brand is called Arden Creative Studio. This first collection she's released is called Hidden Creek. So here we have some die cuts for the collection, and again, you might recognize the style. It is very 49 and Market-y. Here are some of the pieces that are included. They're absolutely wonderful. She has some little stamp sets because she's into creating all kinds of like watercolor backgrounds and mixed media. So this is called Fern Valley, and it's so pretty with the little dragonfly. This adorable little, this one's called Tag Essentials, but this little tag set is so cute. It actually has 4 different dies, and it creates the cutest little mini tag that I would use on everything. Like, just stick it on a card. It's got this tag, which actually has a little removable piece, so you could take things up a notch, maybe do a little tag album, and then have like a little redeem for a free whatever on it. Cute idea. Then there is this beautiful stamp set. This one is called Ledger Wings. I'm so sorry. Butterflies, dragonflies, and all kinds of lines and fun things to just incorporate, especially if you're into like junk journaling, tag making, all that fun stuff. She has laser cuts as well, which if you guys are familiar with the 49 Market laser cuts, these are very similar in the sense that like they just have the skinniest little stems and embellishments, and they look like they just punch out. Really, really cool. And there we go. Then we have some rub-ons. Here's what it looks like. So it looks like 2 different sheets of rub-ons. You get those wonderful splotches that we all love. Some butterflies, some ferns, some wild flowers. Then there's Fern Valley. This is a die set. Really, really awesome. Another gorgeous couple of stamps. This one is called Letterbox Remnants. And then this one is called Artful Ledgers. So really, really fun if you're into creating backgrounds. Highly recommend. Sorry. Then there's Hidden Creek enamel dots. So all of these coordinate with the collection itself. And last but not least, she has a paper collection that you could do some amazing things with. For example, junk journaling. You could actually make a gorgeous little mini album with this. It is 8x8. So yeah, really, really looking forward to seeing what she comes out with next, as well as welcoming her first collection, Hidden Creek. Then we have all of these cool new ink pads, which are a great price point from Studio Light. I grabbed the pink set to show you, but I believe there's like pink, there's a purple set, a green set, a blue set, and a yellowy brown set. Maybe those are 2 different sets. There's some oranges. Really awesome. And these retail 5 inks for $9.29. They are water-based, and they are so much fun to work with. Really great for blending. And like, I don't want to say juicy, but like if you're into like a nicely saturated ink pad, they're very fun to play around with. I was dabbling with mine yesterday, so there you go. Then we have restocks on all of our Pink Fresh little bling or essentials, as they call them. So we have lots of them available. I only grabbed one to share with you, but like all the colors of the rainbow are back in stock, so definitely check those out. And last but not least, to share with you guys are these cute little stamp die combos from Moonstone. That's a subcategory of Hunky Dory. This one is called Elegant Sentiments. This is the Lovely Wishes set. So this one comes with the following sentiments. Birthday wishes on your special day. Let's celebrate. Just for you. Congratulations. And then there's coordinating dies that actually cut these out. So you can stamp them in like whatever color your heart desires. Cut them out. And they're great for having stockpile to put on all kinds of projects. We're always looking for great sentiments, and this one is also really good price-wise because you get all those stamps, you get the coordinating dies. And then we have this set. This one's called Special Thoughts, and I love this one. It says things like, thank you so much, get well soon, thinking of you, yay, love and hugs. So that covers a lot of very important bases. Here's what it looks like on the back. So really cute size for these. It's not too much, but it's like just enough. So that concludes my tour of new arrivals. I would stay longer, but I don't want to torture you guys or my vocal cords any longer than I have to. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a snippet of what is to come here at Class Act. There's lots more to see. Check out the website, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. On that note, have a wonderful week. Sharon commented, gorgeous set. Isn't it lovely? Really nice of you to join me, Sharon, and everyone else. Sandra, everyone watching live, everyone watching on replay. Have a great week, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!